Hello everyone and welcome to the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. My name is Linda and I'm taking over this page right now, so I'm excited. We're going to be doing an Americana craft. So y'all come on in, say hello. If you're watching on the replay, just hashtag replay and let me know that you are watching. I'd love to know that. So y'all come on in and say hello. Say hello. We got a cute little craft tonight or today. So I'm used to being on in the evening. So y'all say hello when you're popping on. Y'all, we're going to be using this cute, it's a primitive candle shelf. So we're going to be using this primitive candle shelf this evening, or I keep saying this evening. I'm so used to being on in the evenings, but y'all come on in, say hello. I hope I can read comments. If not, we're just going to wing it because I've been there before. No comments. Okay, so this is what my little shelf looks like. Isn't this cute? I just love it. So we're going to be putting this together like a puzzle. So y'all come on in, say hello. Yes, we're going to be putting this together. I think this goes on that. Anyway, cute little shelf. Cute little shelf. I mean, you can use this for, it doesn't have to be a candle holder. You can use it to decorate whatever holiday is upon us. So, but I love this. So we're going to be using this, and I'm going to start staining this, y'all. It's going to be a lot of painting, a lot of staining, so y'all bear with me. Okay. So we will. So I'm using an Amber Honey by Paint Couture. Now this is a glaze, but I'm going to use it as a stain. I love the color. So let's get a little of this out because I'm going to water it down. Let's see if I can use a sponge brush on this. I don't know. I don't know if that'll work, but we're going to try it. Okay, let's see. Say hello when you're popping on. Y'all, I don't know if I'll be able to see comments or not. And if I don't, I apologize. Okay, I'm going to start with, oh, you know what? Let's put on some gloves. This stuff is messy. We're going to put on some gloves here and stain this. This stuff tends to get a little messy, y'all. A little bit messy. Okay. So we're just going to, I'm going to use this. I don't know if I'm going to like this or not, but this is all I had as far as a sponge. We'll just see if I like this. I think that'll be okay. Just thought it'd be a little bit faster than a brush. Maybe not. Maybe not. But we'll see. Again, I'm just you can use whatever stain you have. I just happen to have this. Like I said, it's a glaze by Paint Couture, but I'm using it as a stain today. I love her. I love these pieces like this that you can just use them every day, change them throughout the seasons, the holidays. Okay. Then I'm just going to take this and wipe it back. or wipe it off. Okay. So this gives us a very, look at that pretty color. That gives us a very pretty, pretty color. Or you can also use paint. I've used like burnt umber paint by Apple Barrel. I think it's Apple Barrel. And watered it down and just kind of made a stain out of it, but I don't have any of that. So this is the back that we're going to go ahead and stain the whole thing. This is working pretty good. This is the only brush I have. Hey, Christina, how are you, my dear? It's been a while. I want to apologize. It's been a while. I've been sick for 2 weeks, and finally, I don't have the greatest energy, but it's coming back slowly. Okay, and I was excited to do this because I need to put this, this is going to be part of my patriotic decor, so I was excited to use this, this primitive candle shelf holder. Look how pretty that is. So this will be the back. I'm not too worried about the back, but we are going to use that. Again, I'm using the, I love this stuff. It's a glaze. It's Amber Honey glaze by Paint Couture. I wasn't sure if I could see comments, but I sure can. I see Christina right there. Okay, so this does come in 4 pieces. Of course, you have your sides. You're going to have your sides right here. And then the bottom parts. So we are going to, I'll just let that dry on its own over there, and we'll go ahead and stain these two. Okay. So I was excited to do this one because it's going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to use, I'm not using any kind of paper this time. No rice paper or anything like that, but we'll just see what it looks like, y'all. We're doing it together. We're going to do this together. Okay. Actually, this is doing pretty good. I didn't have much of a sponge brush. This is all I had, but it's working pretty good. Now we'll be going over this with a white paint. Not white, but maybe off-white. I don't know. Yeah, we're going to lighten it up. I was going to say, I kind of like that color, but we're going to lighten it up. I hope y'all are doing well on this Saturday. It's a beautiful day here in Texas. Really nice. It's, hey Nancy, it's very, it's not too hot. It's not too warm. It's pretty cool out, actually. It's nice. We've already been out and about this morning. And then just wipe it back. So, here is that one. Now we have one more piece here. And I just take this and water it down a little bit. It seems to work just fine. It's a little bit thick. But if you just spray a little water on it, it's fine. I love these glazes by Paint Couture. Okay. just mix that really good. Now this can get a little sticky, so you probably do want to wear gloves with this. Bottom, I don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it that way. In my mind, I know it's complete. Hey, Loretta. Good afternoon to you, dear. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and, that wasn't too bad. Let's pull these off. I'm going to go ahead and try to dry it a little bit. It's a cute piece, y'all. You can use this anywhere in your house, really. She's got some cute new designs on there. I have a link up in the description. Hey, Chris, you're able to join. I'm so glad. But you can go to her website and see all the cuteness. I've got to get me some tier tray stuff, y'all. Let's see. I think this. Go there. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put the bottom. I may be doing this all wrong, but when I'm going to do the bottom, try to glue the bottom on. Oh, you know what? No. Hold on. We're going to... I wanted to keep this color, but I don't. We're going to lighten it up a little bit. So, we're going to come in with some farmhouse linen. I think that's the only color. We'll go in with some farmhouse linen. If that's too light, we will go back in with some distressed ink or something. We'll do something. Okay, so I don't want it full coverage, so let's see. Let's get another paper towel over here. This on the back. Okay, I'm just going to come in here and can y'all see? I think you can see. No, you're not late, dear. You're not late. I wasn't sure if my notice goes out on time or not. I don't know. No telling with Facebook. Now this part you can just, I thought about painting it all white, but I kind of like that color peeking through. And if you don't like it, you know, just go over it with whatever color, or you can't stain it, but I think it's going to be all right for what I'm going to do. It looks pretty stained though. Okay. All right, y'all. So we have that. We're just kind of, I don't know, making it look a little bit aged. Okay, let's see. I'm just dipping my brush in this paint and then kind of dabbing it off a little bit. I don't want it too thick. Yeah, this is, I like the weekends because I don't feel like I have to be in a big hurry. I do work full time, so I'm kind of like, always in a rush. I've already been into town. We went and got some shavings for the horses, and because we had a lot of rain here. No, me. I think that'd be good. Hope y'all are doing well on this weekend. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about the bottom. Yeah, we don't have to worry about the bottom. Kind of just gave it a little whitewash looking look to it. I may go over it a little bit. I may go over it a little bit. Let me see. Trying to decide whether I want it a little lighter or not. I think this will work. Let's see. Let me see, y'all. I have something I'm going to put right in here. Because if I'm going to go lighter, I need to do it now instead of waiting till I put it together. Until I think, let's see. Let me see here. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side. Hold on. like it, but okay, decisions, y'all, decisions. I think we'll go with that. I don't know. I think we'll go with that. Hey, Kay Widener, you made it, dear. Look at this, y'all. How cute is this? I love that. I think we'll leave it. I can always go back and paint it. Let's leave it. I think we'll leave it. I'm trying to decide whether I wanted it lighter or not. I gotta make a decision, y'all. I'm horrible at this, making decisions. Okay. Well, you know what? Let me see something. If I went lighter, let's see. We're going with this. I'm just going to add just a little touch of this distressed ink on here in Gathered Twigs. Just a little bit. My original plan was to go very light, but kind of wanted it distressed. I don't know which side that goes. Let's see that. I'm just going to put a little of this on both sides. Okay. All right, so we will, now let's start putting this together. So it's just like a puzzle, y'all. See, she's got some little notches there, and you just line up your pieces. This one comes with 4 pieces. Again, this is called a primitive candle shelf. The primitive candle shelf. She had it a stage where there was it was very rustic and very pretty actually, and then had a candle there and in here. So pretty. You can see that on the website. I've got a link up above in the description for her website. Let me just see if this is the side. Okay. I'm gonna put the bottom in first, I think. Let's see if I can do this without 3 hands. We're gonna make this work. Gotta get creative, y'all. Gotta get creative. Okay. So here, I've got Type Bond. I don't know if this is going to work for me or not. But we will see. Let's just see. If it doesn't, I think I can grab my other glue. Just like the tip on this. in. Okay, I'm going to use no, I may have to use my other glue. Let me just see how fast this works. If it's not fast enough, we'll grab my other glue. Oops, oops, oops. Sorry, y'all can't see what I'm doing. I'm just adding this glue right there on the edge. I don't need much. Oh, you know what I did? It'll work. I gotta watch what I'm doing here. Actually, I was supposed to... No, it'll work. It'll work. And before that dries completely, I don't know. Let's see. Right here. Come on. I put the glue on the wrong side. But it works. Inside. Okay. Inside there, inside. I'll be talking to myself, y'all. Okay. Don't need any there. Like I said, this fits like a puzzle. Actually, it's fun to put these together. A lot of fun. Okay. Just use what you have. I know it's going to seem like you need 3 hands, but really, really easy. What are y'all doing on this Saturday? Oh, it's a beautiful day. I think we're going to go out to, we're going to go eat after I finish here. I was excited to put this together, y'all. I'm working on my Americana craft. Look how cute. Don't y'all love that? Look, a little shelf. I love this. Love it, love it. And I can just see a spray of greenery on here. I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to have to get me another one of these. Oh my gosh. Watching it rain. Oh, okay. We're supposed, I think the rain has stopped here for a little bit, but gosh, we had a lot. Look, y'all. I love it. Love it, love it. All right. Now all we have to do is basically put it all together. I am going to put a candle in here. You'll see here in just a second, but I'm going to do an Americana craft with this. You know what? I need a wipe. My hands are so... Let's do this. Got some water wipes over here. Hey, Tony. How are you? Okay. get all this off of my hands. All right, y'all. Okay, so this, I've got one of these, you know, you can get one of these from the Dollar Tree, these little wooden crates. I'm going to use one of these. I already have that stained with the same stain, which it wasn't a stain, it was a glaze. It's Amber Honey Glaze by Paint Couture. I just kind of used it as a stain here. And it's going to fit right in there on this. Actually, it fits pretty good. It fits pretty good. Now, I wasn't sure if I wanted to go this route or not, but I'm not going to. I decided I didn't want to, so I'm just going to use this side here. And I may have to whitewash that too. And then we're going to use these little wooden stars. I already had this little. We're going to use these little wooden stars. You can get these Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, any craft store. Actually, Christina, I don't know if you have these or not, dear. Little wooden stars. I know she has the big ones, the 3-size ones that I need to grab those too. Let me see what we're going to do here. Okay, so now it's just basically putting it all together. Let me see. Actually, I kind of like it like that, but I think I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, so I've got a red star. I'm going to get white and blue. Okay. Get a smaller brush here. It's too big. Okay, so we're going to paint our stars. Started Thursday and going through Monday. Oh my gosh, Sue. I tell you what, we got so much rain. We're just yesterday able to mow. We got a lot of mowing. We got it all, well, actually I did, my husband did. I didn't get a chance to get on the mower, but bless his heart, he did it all. He did it all. But it was like a jungle out here. We've had so much rain. Okay, so we got our white and red, and now we need our blue right here. Y'all just use whatever paint color. I just grabbed some from my stash, whatever blues and reds I had. This red is actually just a crafter's paint. I think that's Hobby Lobby. I like that. It's kind of a barn red. Okay. And do, what's up with that? Well, I guess that's broken. We had some people driving up. I don't know. Okay. So we're just going to paint our blue star. Y'all are going to get a lot of rain. Okay. All right, y'all. We're going to put that up. I think I'm going to take a little bit of this ink here and just kind of, just a little, just my distressed ink. It'll show up a little bit, not like too horribly dark. Okay, got that done. Okay, so we're going to bring our little box back up. Actually, I think I may have to, give this a little bit of a stain inside because it might show. I'm just using the residuals on this brush, what's left on this brush. It doesn't have to be perfect in here, but just felt like that may show. I got it all over my hands. Okay. All right. Let me give this a good try. Yeah, I was going to go with that. I mean, you can. I can flip it over if I need to, but we are going to use that side. All right, so we're going to attach our little stars here. I think I'm just going to do them they're just going to be not straight. Probably should have started with the middle star first. It probably would have been the thing to do. And then that one. Okay, so this is our little box that we have here, and then I'm gonna put, let's put a little floral foam. Now I did make a little hole there, a little indentation, and you'll see why here in a second. I'm just gonna add some glue down here. That in there. Okay, so we have a little floral foam in there. I'm gonna add, of course, I have a candle over here that I'm gonna put right there. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Y'all, I get this from, look at it. I get this from Hobby Lobby. It's just a garland that I tear apart. I'm going to add a little greenery in here. Somehow, some way. And then, and then we'll add, let me put my candle. We don't need that. I'm just going to add my little candle in there just to see where I need to add more stuff. By stuff, I mean like little florals that I had in my stash. I think we're just going to add these in there. You know what? Hold on. Because I have... Hold on a minute. I think... I can't add too much in there because I've got something else that's going to go in here. All right, so we'll just add, we're just going to add a little bit. I may have to add all this on this side. And really, you don't need this either, but I just do it. I just do it, y'all. Oops. Okay. I need some white. Okay, I tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and bring this over. Now this, you can just sit it in there or you can glue it in, however you want to do it. But this is so far what it's going to look like. Just, I'm not finished yet with it, but so all that to me, it needs something. So this is what I have. Look at this. I got this from Walmart, I think a year ago or so, but it's like a bandana, but look at the colors on it. I love it almost looks distressed. I love it. So I kind of cut it up a little bit. I wanted this draped in here. Let me see if I can get this to look like what I want it to look like. I don't know. I might have to glue it a little bit on the back. I'm not sure. But I used this for something else, and I can't remember exactly what I used it for. So I decided to use the rest of it in here. Kind of, you know how you see those wreaths with these things with the flag draped around it? That's kind of the look I was going for with this. And then we'll see how that looks. And then I had this. So I cut some of it. I had some strips. And I made a little bow. I just made a little, kind of like a little, I don't know what you call this bow. Messy bow. Okay, so this is the look I'm going for. I don't know what I'm going to do back here, but, so this is the look I was going for. I think I'm going to, I tied this, so I tied this onto there. I don't know. I may have to glue something back. I didn't really want to glue it because I may use this for something else, which I probably will. Oh, nice day in Ohio. That's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna add my little bow thingy over here. Of course, you want this to be a fake candle because you're gonna burn your, you don't want to start a fire here. Okay, I need some more green. Let me put it in here. And then in the middle of that little bow, I think I want, let's put, I want, look, I can also put these. Hold up, y'all. I just found these. to put all the florals on one side. I think that'll look cute. Look at these things. I don't know where I got these. Maybe Hobby Lobby. I'll flip it around here in a minute. I have enough red. Okay. So in the middle of this little shabby something, I think we're going to put this star. It is a totally dazzled star. I think we're going to do that right there. Just have to be careful not to burn yourself. That gets hot. Or you can drape this and stick it in your box if that's the look you want. I'm going to turn that on. And there you go, y'all. Easy. It's so easy. Easy peasy. All right. So that's our little crap. Y'all, this is so this is so easy. Anybody can do it. So this is my little thought on this. Like I said, this little, I want to say it was like a bandana or something over in that section where you buy bandanas at Walmart. So I got that last year. I really don't know. I know I got 2 of them, I think. So this, you can always, I didn't glue any of it together. You can always take it out and reuse this. Look how cool this is. I just love this little shelf. So there you go, y'all. That's easy, easy, easy. Oh, thank you, Sue. Oh, you were folding. Hey, Velma. Tony, thank you. I know, don't you just love it? It's really, I love the colors on it. I love. But y'all, that's what I had for y'all. I just enjoy this. Thank you so much for joining me today. Yeah, go check it out. I do have a link up in the description. So y'all go check out all of Christina's she has so much cuteness on her website. I'll be back again this month with another craft using one of her, I don't even know what I'm going to use. I have several right now that I'm thinking of. So, but this is so much fun. Thank you, Tracy. Thank you, Tony. So let's see. She's got some new things all the time, y'all. You want to go check out her website constantly because she's always putting, and I got to be better at, I'm going to be posting on my page the new stuff that comes out. She's continuously just adding new stuff to that website and so much cuteness. So if you're looking to put together a tiered tray, that's your go-to person. If you're looking to, get just something to decorate for the holidays or just for everyday decor, go check out her. She's got stuff like this that's so freaking cute. You got to go see it. You got to go check it out. Hi, Farmview creators. How are you? All right, y'all. I'm going to let y'all go. This was so much fun. Christina, thank you, my dear, for allowing me on your page today. And I will see y'all soon. I'll post a picture of this. And if you're watching on the replay, let us know that you watched too. We'd love to have you over at Christina's here on the Rust Covered Cottage. And if you haven't joined my page, I'd love to have you. And I'm with Circle Heart Creations. So if you're not following me, I hope that you do. All right, y'all, go check out the cuteness. Love you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.